Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss or take a live tour of the one of the functionality which is recently introduced by GSTN on Common Portal, and that is related to reversal of input tax credit under Rule 37 capital A. Friends, 37 capital A एक ऐसा रूल है जो काफी उसके बारे में अवेयरनेस बहुत कम है, and which has been introduced and implemented and enforced by the government, and which we have to read with section 16 subsection 2 clause C. तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि 16 टू C रेड विद 37 कैपिटल A किस तरीके से पोर्टल के ऊपर इंप्लीमेंट हो गया है और हमें कैसे इसको अपनी प्रैक्टिकल जब रिटर्न फाइलिंग जो लोग करते हैं उनको किस तरीके से इसको ध्यान रखना है, कैसे इसको इंप्लीमेंट करवाना है। 26 ऑफ दिसंबर 2022 से इसको एनफोर्स कर दिया गया है और इसको पढ़ेंगे हम सेक्शन 16 टू सी के साथ। तो 16 टू सी मैं आपको पहले थोड़ा सा उसका आइडिया देता हूं। 16 टू सी बेसिकली क्या बात करता है, उसके बाद हम चलेंगे 37 कैपिटल ए पे, फिर उसके बाद जो एडवाइजरी आई है जीएसटी में उसके बारे में बात करेंगे और फिर उसको उसके लो एस्पेक्ट को, उसके जो कुछ इश्यूज उनको समझेंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, अब आप सब लोग जान चुके हैं कि जो इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट है विच इज गवर्न्ड बाय section 16 subsection 2 the conditions, and one of the condition in 16.2 is condition number C, clause number C. You can see on screen, subject to the provisions of section 41, the tax in respect of such supply has been actually paid to the government either in cash or through utilization of input tax credit. तो मैंने जो प्रिक्योरमेंट करी है, जो मैंने जो गुड्स खरीदे हैं, सर्विसेज ली हैं अपने सप्लायर से, my supplier has paid tax to the government. This has to be ensured by me. They are casting that responsibility on me. And till date, we were saying that we don't have any functionality to understand or to get a sense that my supplier has paid input tax credit or not. To mitigate that, to resolve that problem, the government has introduced Rule 37 capital A. 37 capital A in summary says, as you all understand that there are two returns, two monthly returns. GSTR1, the invoice level information is filed, and 3B is where the consolidated amount is filed and the tax is paid. But suppose a supplier has only filed GSTR1 but has not filed GSTR3B, means that supplier has not paid tax to the government. The condition of 16.2C is clearly violated. When 16.2C is violated, that means I need to reverse the input tax credit. If my supplier has not paid tax till 30th of September of the next financial year, on such outward supplies, if he has not furnished, such supplier has not furnished return till 30th of September of the following the end of the financial year in which the input tax credit has been obtained, I need to reverse that credit before 30th of November of the succeeding financial year. What Rule 37 capital A says, if I have taken any input tax credit in my 3B return, the details of which has been furnished by the supplier in R1 or using IFF, but 3B has not been filed till 30th day of September following the end of the financial year in which I have obtained input tax credit. And the said amount of ITC shall be reversed by the registered person while furnishing a return in 3B till the on or before the 30th of November of the such financial years. For example, my GSTR 3B for financial year 22-23 all been filed. Right now, I need to reverse the input tax credit on those supplies where my counter supplier has not filed his 3B returns. My supplier has not filed his 3B returns till the 30th September of the next financial year. Suppose invoices of FY 22-23, right? They all need to be filed till what date? They all need to be filed till 30th of September 2023, right? And they have not filed those invoices. Now I need to reverse input tax credit on those invoices on or before 30th of November 2023. So we are in the month of November, and this return will be very, very critical. The October return shall be very, very critical because I have to reverse those invoices till this particular date. So the crux of matter is we have to implement Rule 37 capital A practically in October 2023 return. And this is the advisory. ITC reversal on account of Rule 37 capital A. Now they are giving the system computed amounts, the system computed figures, wherein they will tell, the GSTN will tell that these are your supplies which you have procured in 22-23, you have availed input tax credit in 22-23, but the supplier has only filed GSTR1 but has not filed 3B. So you please reverse the input tax credit on or before 30th of November 2023 in table number 4B2. So that will ensure the compliance of 37 capital A. So let me summarize this whole discussion in a simple words. There is section 16(2)(c) which says that I am eligible for input tax credit provided my supplier has paid tax to the government, either through utilization of a valid input tax credit or through the electronic cash ledger. This has to be ensured. There has to be a mechanism for that, and the mechanism is ensured in Rule 37 capital A. 37 capital A says that if your supplier has filed R1 but has not filed 3B, it means he has filed the invoices, but the actual tax, the fund has not gone to the government. So if he has not furnished 3B till the 30th of September 2023, so you are not allowed to take input tax credit, and you have to reverse all those input tax credit on those invoices till 30th of November 2023. And this has to be ensured by GSTN through a functionality, a module which has already been implemented. They will tell us the ready-made figures wherein we will ensure, we will check, we will talk with our suppliers, and then we will have to reverse that credit under table number 4B2. So this was a quick discussion on the recent update issued by GSTN on 14th of November 2023. I hope you have gained some knowledge through this video. Thank you very much for watching this. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.